How to send photos in messages on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can send photos in messages on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first of all, head over to your Messages app. On your Messages app, you should just any person's any DM that you want. And right here on the bottom left, you'll find a plus icon. Tap on the plus icon and you'll get a lot of different options, including photos. Tap on it and select any picture that you want to send. Then you can tap on send to send the picture. And that's how you send photos in messages on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.